In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit data in PowerPoint charts. Knowing how to manipulate this data effectively can significantly enhance your presentations and ensure that your audience receives accurate and relevant information. So let's dive right in and make sure you become proficient in this essential skill. First, you'll want to go ahead and open PowerPoint on your computer. If you're unfamiliar with PowerPoint or setting it up, remember it's typically found in your Microsoft Office suite. Just look for the recognizable orange and white icon. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to navigate through your files and open the presentation you're working on. Look for that saved file, click on it, and let's get ready to make some data magic happen. Now that you have your presentation open, locate the chart you want to update. Once you spot it, give it a quick click. By clicking on your chart, PowerPoint knows that you want to make some changes or adjustments to that specific piece of content. This is a crucial step because it sets the stage for the changes that you're about to make. Next, with the chart selected, you'll need to right-click on it. This may be second nature if you regularly use right-click for other tasks, but in this context, right-clicking opens up a whole new menu that's specific to the chart, giving you options that are particularly useful when working with graphical data. Once you've right-clicked, you'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, you need to select Edit Data. This option is key because it takes the underlying data that your chart represents and brings it into a view that you can modify. By selecting Edit Data, PowerPoint opens a linked spreadsheet, similar to a mini Excel document, where you can manipulate the numbers and details that directly reflect in your chart. Now that you're viewing the spreadsheet, you have the freedom to change the data however you see fit, whether it's updating numbers, adding new categories, or removing ones that are no longer relevant. This is where you're breathing new life into your chart. Don't forget while editing to keep your data organized and structured. It ensures your chart remains clear and informative. With these steps, you're now prepared to edit and update the data in your PowerPoint charts effectively. Whether you're making subtle adjustments or overhauling entire data sets, these skills are invaluable in making your presentations both dynamic and insightful. Thanks for spending some time learning with me, and I'm confident that with practice, editing chart data in PowerPoint will soon become second nature. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your skills.